Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5067P. It's a 2019 Ford Transit cargo van with 208 for K. This one's your 148 wheelbase and mid-roof height option. So that gives you 11 feet from the bulkhead to the back door. There's also just over 5.5 feet of interior room as well. So you get nice tall shelving, and you can, walk up and in and around here reasonably comfortably as well, as opposed to, the shorter vans. So nice big sliding wide door here. Put furnaces, water heaters, air conditioners, anything you need to right in the side. This is a 250 or a 3/4 ton model, so it is a little bit heavier duty. A nice deep shelving there on the driver's side. Passenger side's wide open. You can put, Milwaukee pack outs or anything like that in there as well. Dual functioning, hydraulically assisted drop down ladder rack on both passenger and driver side. So you can store the ladders up there and then drop them down as need be. This one does have winter tires all the way around. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt and cruise. Little overhead console there for paperwork storage, whatever else. And something like this is great for plumbing and heating or mechanical companies. The nice big high roof is really easy to operate out of, especially with those outfits, because they do have larger materials that are running back and forth to job sites. But overall, any sort of contracting company would be happy to have a nice clean van like this. Again, stock number 5067, a 2019 Ford Transit T250 cargo van.